Palestinian militants carried out an unprecedented infiltration into southern Israel, launching dozens of rockets. According to reports, the mayor of Sha'ar HaNegev Regional Council, Ophir Lipstein, was killed in the attacks by the Palestinian Islamist movement Hamas on Israel on Saturday. The development came after gunmen from Palestine crossed the border with a heavy barrage of rockets fired from the Gaza Strip. In one of the biggest escalation in recent times, Israel on Saturday morning declared a state of readiness for war. A massive barrage of rockets were launched from the Gaza Strip and infiltration operations took place into the southern area. The attack killed at least one person and injured 16 others. People were advised to remain indoors following the killing of one woman in Israel. The Israeli military said that a number of terrorists have infiltrated into Israeli territory. Israel's army said that it was on a war footing as Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called an emergency meeting of security officials. According to reports, towns in southern Israel are witnessing gun battle between bands of Palestinian fighters and security forces. Hamas military commander Mohammed Deif announced the start of the operation in a broadcast on Hamas media, calling on Palestinians everywhere to fight. He said, and I quote, "This is the day of the greatest battle to end the last occupation on earth." Mohammed Deif said that 5,000 rockets had been fired into Israel early Saturday to begin Operation Al-Aqsa Storm. Israel's Minister of Defense Yoav Gallant, following an operational situation assessment on Saturday morning, warned that the Hamas has made a grave mistake this morning and launched a war against the state of Israel. The rocket fire came during a period of heavy fighting in the West Bank, where nearly 200 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli army military raids this year. Israel says the raids are aimed at militants, but stone-throwing protesters and people uninvolved in the violence have also been killed. Palestinian attacks on Israeli targets have killed over 30 people. The tensions have also spread to Gaza, where Hamas-linked activists held violent demonstrations along the Israeli border in recent weeks. Those demonstrations were halted in late September after international mediation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.